Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with another pick a card reading which is going to be why don't they express their love to you. And I have two piles here. We are going to ask the question why don't they express their love to you. In the first two cards we are going to get the answer to that. In the second cards that we have pulled out from different deck, we're going to ask the question when will they express their love to you. So yeah, before we dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out why don't they express their love and will they do it anytime soon? Yes or no? Let's find out. I'm gonna start with pile one. Let me show you the two piles first. This is the teddy bear pile, okay, and this is the chicky pile. So pick whichever pile you want to choose to get the answer to your question, or to get the answer coming from your person. Why don't they express their love? What is it that holds them back whenever they want to express love? Why can't they do that? And then we're going to find out if they're going to do that anytime soon, yes or no. If we will need clarifiers, we will take the clarifiers as well. So let's dive into the reading. Let's start with pile one, which is the blue one, which is the beer one. Let's see. Let's find out. Are they going to express their love? Why don't they express, their love to you? Let's find out the reason first. Why don't they do that? Hold on. Yep. Okay, let's start. Why don't they express their love and feelings for you? Let's begin. Wow, they do have strong love and emotions. I don't know why they hold themselves back then. We do have King of Cups paired over the Lovers. I feel like they're gonna open up very soon because there is no point they still hold themselves back because angels are guiding them to you. I don't know what they did in the past, why they were hiding their emotions and feelings for you in the past, but now they are about to open up about their feelings to you. They are going to bring their cup of love to you and offer you love because they are being guided towards you. Maybe in the past they had some fears around it, but now I don't think I do see, as if it is already happening for majority of you, like for 90% of you, maybe I feel like this person is going to reach out to you very soon and they are going to open up about their love and feelings to you. They are going to propose you. Maybe you are going to get married to this person, especially if you have been seeing whiteboards, if you have been seeing some signs like repetitive numbers and stuff like that. If you have been seeing those signs, you are just there and this person is going to open up about their feelings to you. And for very few of you, maybe if you are especially psychically you are a psychic person. I feel like in that situation too, if you have heightened intuition and stuff like that, if you have been picking up some signs, messages coming from the universe, coming from the person as well, like maybe you might have been hearing their name, seeing their maybe seeing their pictures on social media, not purposely, but like maybe you're scrolling down the thing and maybe you see their picture everywhere, or maybe you see their name everywhere. So these are the messages that the universe is bringing you two together. These are like the universe is aligning you to come together again, to have that connection with each other. I feel like this person is very close to open up about their feelings to you. And for majority of you, especially if you have been seeing the signs and you have been having some positive upbeat energies coming from within you, then this person is about to open about their feelings and love. I don't know what was holding them back. We are going to find that out in this card, but yes, they are about to, for majority of you, maybe you have already started some positive changes coming from this person. If not, then it is going to happen very soon. Now let's ask the question, what is it that is no, we are going to tap into the second. The answer is going to be to the question, will they open up anytime soon? So let's just ask that. Why do we even need to? They are going to open up anyways. So maybe we should ask, because I don't know what's in this card, so I have no idea. But let's change the question here for you guys, because this person is definitely going to, the other question was, are they going to open up anytime soon? But yes, they are. That's what I'm picking up with this card here. So maybe we should change the question for your set actually. That let's see. What was the question, by the way? I'm too lost in this person's energy. Like they have strong love and emotions for you, and they are not going to be the old them at all. They are going to be expressive. They are going to be submissive as well. That's what I'm picking up with their energy. Like, it's they might have been the rigid kind of a person, but now they are changing. So hold on. Let me think what the question is going to be. Since we know they are opening up very soon, the question was, why don't they express their love and feelings? So we know, let's ask why they didn't do that earlier, or why they are not doing still, because they are about to do it. Or what has been holding them back. Maybe we can ask all the questions and let's see what the answer comes, and if we need to take clarifier, we can take that as well. So yeah, let's see. Karma. There was some sort of karmic cycle going on which was keeping them away from you. It can be for majority of you, I feel like it was a destined timing that's going to come through. It was like, some sort of divine intervention into this connection. That's why it was like not happening earlier. Maybe this person was never ready to open up, but now it's time to happen. It's time to get in a relationship with this person. It's time for you to take this connection to the next level. It's time for, maybe they have been in a karmic cycle, or maybe you have been in a karmic cycle, or maybe you have been on a twin flame journey, and that's how you were destined to come together after some sort of growth of some kind, personal growth of some kind. And that's how, that has happened already, and now this person is changed. Like I said, this person is going to be changed, and the way they are, being drawn to you, it's more like divine connection. It's more like, divine timing right now. So it was pretty much out of control for the two of you to come together earlier, but now is the time, and that's why you are going to feel like, everything is aligning up for the two of you to come together, and you are guided towards them, they are guided towards you. So that's how it was meant to happen. I feel like, it's a for majority of you, maybe you have been manifesting this connection, this reconciliation with this person, this them opening up about their feelings to you as well. But and it took them, their due time to come to you, to have, their love expressed. And now you're getting the reward. Now you're getting your affirmations, prayers answered. So that's why they are opening up about their love for you right now. For majority of you, I feel like, I don't think it's going to take more than 2 to 3 months time. I feel like, this person is going to open up about their feelings to you very soon, for majority of you. But for, the other of you, maybe it's going to take 2 to 3 months time for them to express love, or to propose to you, or to come closer to you, and to restart or rekindle, the old connection that you had with this person. They are definitely going to express their love very soon, for majority of you. And the bad phase of your relationship is definitely over. So yeah, that was pretty much it for the people who chose pile 1. Let's move on to the, hold on, let's move on to the second pile for the people who chose the cheeky pile. Let's see, why don't they express their love and feelings to you? And then we're going to tap into the question, are they going to do that anytime soon? Let's find out. Wow. The Fool paired up with 8 of Cups. Let's check this card also. The Fool. Let me take one card here first, because I really need to be sure before I put out the message. Let me take one card. Wow. I was to take one card and then I took lots of them because I was picking up different messages here for different people. Now, for some of you, I feel like your person has already moved on. You and your person and the connection that you had with them is already over. That's why they don't express, especially if you are in no communication with this person. I feel like maybe for some of you, maybe the connection is already over between the two of you. It's like maybe it's like they have moved on already, maybe they have already married someone else. Maybe they have already started a new journey with a specific someone in their life, and that's why they don't feel the same way for you. And maybe they have moved on with a new person. And when I say moved on means like they might have gotten married or engaged or something around those lines. And they won't express their love to you even in the future because they don't have love for you. They have gotten themselves into a on a new journey with a new person in their life. So maybe there was no love in the in the past as well. Maybe you were the one. Maybe it was pretty much like one-sided love for some of you. But for others of you, I feel like they are not going to express their love until and unless you stop feeding them or overfeeding them with your love. I feel like this person is going to realize your worth once you are gone out of their life. And if you are still in their life, I don't think that they are going to change ever. I don't think they are going to value the connection ever. You really have to let this person you know evolve, and they are going to evolve once you leave them. They are not going to understand the connection and the worth of this connection until and unless you leave them. So I feel like they are going to express their love and feelings for you if and only if you either threaten them to leave them or you just leave them alone. And they are not going to be ready to risk losing you, and that's how they will express their feelings and love to you. But until and unless that time comes, until and unless that change happens, until and unless you stop putting them on the priority list, they are never going to change. um, for some of you, they cannot express their love because they don't think that they can give you what you want, um, for two reasons. One, um, maybe they are already with someone else, and maybe you know that already. And if not, then they are doing something else in their life which is keeping them so busy, and they cannot invest their time and energy into love and relationships. That's why they never open up about their feelings to you, because they don't actually feel that feeling for you as of now, because they are so occupied with other things happening in their life. They don't get time enough to feel anything. So that could be the reason for some of you. But again, as you choose to move away, as you choose to walk away from this person is going to start understanding the worth of this connection. But I feel like for some reasons I'm picking up that other vibe more than anything else. Let me pull two more cards from the top of the deck of the same card that I used here. The Fool and the Eight of Cups. Let's see what was next. Two of Pentacles. Hold on. This person is going to take a lot of time to basically to um, start developing the feelings itself. It's like this person is not the usual type, I would say. Why? Because it's like they are somebody who's going to take you for granted. They are somebody like that, who is not going to invest into this connection much. And it's going to be like or it has always been like pretty much one-sided between you and this person, and that's the reason why they don't have express the feelings, because they don't have the feelings. And until and unless they have the feeling, they cannot express it. So I feel like the life between you two is stuck and stagnant right now, because you don't see any change coming from this person. You don't see any movement forward. You don't see their love being expressed. you find it very toxic right now to stay in this connection itself. And I feel like, but maybe you have strong emotional connection with this person, and you don't know. Even if you tell them, okay, fine, I'm leaving you, they are going to tell you, okay, go away, because they don't have that emotional bond with you as of now. And again, it can be for majority of you. I feel like, it can be because they don't have much time, enough time to think of love and relationships. And they, if you stay, if you don't want to stay, don't stay. But once they are ready to give, love life the importance, love life the time, they will consider you, they will come back to you. But until and unless that time comes, until and unless they have the realization about, how much you love them, they are not going to change at all. So it's like, it's better to leave a person like this on their own, because they are not going to change. Even like I said, even if you tell them, okay, fine, I will leave you, otherwise they will tell you, okay, fine, go away. Because until and unless they get rid of something that is happening in their life, until and unless they understand, or until and unless they evolve as a person, they're never gonna value the connection that you have with them. So yeah, I feel like, there is no feelings as of now in this connection for them. um they don't have time for it right now. For, like I said in the very beginning, for some of you, this person has already moved on to a new person, and they are happy together with that person. That could be the case for some of you. For others of you, your person is going to take a lot of time before they have, or they start developing feelings for you. That's why they don't express it, they don't have the feelings as of now for you. So if you are willing to wait on for them, wait for them, because it's very toxic kind of a connection. Because it's like, it's going to make you feel bad. This person is going to make you feel bad. This person is not going to express love, because they don't have love, because they don't feel the way you feel for them. It's pretty much one-sided. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose pile 2. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're looking to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. So till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.